Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to tell what size bulb your taillight needs in your vehicle. It's pretty easy, but I get it all the time. What size bulb do I need? What do you think this is? Movie phone? Why don't you just tell me what movie you want to see? Remember that old Seinfeld episode? I don't know, you got to check it out. So I'll show you how to remove the bulb in this video, and I'll show you what to look for. So if you have no idea, it's pretty easy to do. Just follow along. Remember, before you get into this, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have a comment, leave a comment on the video, and I'll reply back to you. Let's get rolling. So when you're changing the taillight bulbs, remember to follow the manufacturer's recommended removal process. Take your taillight out. You're going to take it out of this vehicle, and then I'll show you how to tell the part number on your bulb. So once you've removed the taillight from the vehicle, to tell what kind of bulb your vehicle takes, if you needed, for instance, to replace this bulb, you're going to pull it out, and there'll be a part number on it. There should be a part number on it. And this one right here, let me see if you can see it on camera. Yep, it's right on the side, right there. And it says Sylvania 12-volt 3157K. So you can match that up at the parts store, and that would be the size of the replacement bulb. This little clear one up top, if you have like a parking light up front or a parking light, a direct turn signal in the back, or whatever it may be, usually there should be a number stamped on these as well. And sometimes it can be really hard to see. Let me see if we can get it on camera. But, I mean, it's pretty hard. I don't think you can see it. There is a part number right here at the top. It's really light print. It's kind of orangey. But that has the part number on it. And this part number, it says GE921. So you would go to the parts store and just match that up in the light bulb section, and then you can get your replacement bulb. So that's pretty much it. You're back in business. So I hope you liked the video, and remember to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have a question, leave a comment, I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching.